Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Careen, and for today's video we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is in the shade Deep Purple. It is 256 gigabytes. I know that I just got the AirPods like less than a month ago, and I already got these from my parents. I'm super grateful. I'm so thankful for them. Okay, so anyways, enough talking. I'm super duper excited to open this, so let's get started. Here it is, you guys. She is so pretty. It's so pretty. Here she is, you guys. This is a size comparison with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Pro. You guys. I will quickly set this up with Quick Start. Here you can see, you guys can use Quick Start and it'll automatically show on your old phone. You can click it and then it will automatically place in all of your information. Okay, so I already started Quick Start and now it just says it may take a few minutes to activate my iPhone because it's transferring all of this stuff from my old phone to this new phone. Now I'm going to set up Face ID. So my Face ID is now set up. So it says the transfer time will be about 1 hour and 45 minutes. I hope it's not that long, but we'll see if it actually is that long. It is now setting up my Apple ID and I will get back with you guys in a second. Also, here are the other things that came inside the iPhone box. Hey guys, so it has officially been 5 days since I got my new phone. I've gotten used to it. I've used it a lot now. I've took so much pictures on it already. But yeah, I decided to order another wildflower case because my old iPhone had one and I love wildflowers so much. I had to get a new one. It's here. It arrived today and I can't wait any longer. I need to open this. She is so pretty. I've been wanting to get this one with my old phone as well, but yeah, I'm so excited that I finally got it. It's super pretty. It also came with the cutest stickers ever, which I will be putting on my mirror. It is actually super impressive how fast this arrived because I ordered this on the same day I got my phone. It literally only took 5 days from LA. But to be honest, wildflower cases are so heavy duty and cute at the same time. Anyways, let's begin with our what's on my iPhone 14 Pro Max 2022, almost 2023. Okay, so this is my current lock screen setup. I have a few more. This one's a cute picture of my mom when she was a baby. But I've been using this recently. I made this myself with Canva. And if you press this little butterfly, it takes you right to Spotify. When you open the phone, I have my home screen, which is pretty empty. I have a Bible verse over here, and then a little widget where I made that also. It's super cute. And then I have my phone stuff here. I have like my apps, and then I have my socials, and then I have a few games as well. And then over here are just some, you know, the random stuff. I know my mail is full, okay? I just don't open it a lot. I'm so sorry. I promise I will clean that up soon. My little area here. This is like a bird app with my friend Frenchie's. You can like customize your bird to look like whatever you want it to look like. Now I have this octopus hat on, which is super cute. And then this is an app called Lock It. You get to like send pictures to your friends, and it's so cute. I have my friends here. For example, this one is Frenchie's, and then this is my friend I have like a bunch, but yeah, it's super fun. And then we also have Be Real. This is like an app where whenever they send you a notification, you have to take a picture. These are my friends, and then this is the beer deal I took yesterday. It hasn't really notified today, but yes, it's super cute, super fun, and yeah. And then I also have my Spotify over here, some songs I played. So this is what my Spotify looks like. I love Spotify so much, cannot live without it. So these are a few of my playlists, and yeah, this one is my favorite playlist. This is a playlist for only Ariana Grande and The Weeknd because I love them so much. And then this is a little summer playlist for when you're on the beach. I'm actually going to the beach in less than a week. Stay tuned for a vlog. And then this is a playlist with my friend Franchise. Lots of songs over there. So that's for my Spotify. So yeah, actually that is pretty much it for my what's in my iPhone. I don't have a lot of stuff, but it's what keeps me entertained every day. I love my phone so much, cannot live without it. This is what the iPhone quality looks like. Subscribe to my channel, and this is what you guys look like. Say hi. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys loved this video. I know I loved it, and I know I love this phone as well. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.